Lafayette is a vibrant city, known for its rich culture, lively communities, and bustling neighborhoods. But with that energy often comes noise, whether it's traffic, construction, or the sounds of daily activity. For homeowners seeking peace and quiet, soundproof windows are quickly becoming a popular solution. Beyond reducing unwanted noise, they also enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and home value. Here's why soundproof windows are a smart upgrade for busy Lafayette neighborhoods. A quieter, more peaceful home. The primary benefit of soundproof windows is obvious: they block unwanted noise. Double or triple pane construction, multiple layers of glass with insulating air or gas between them reduce sound transmission. Laminated glass. A special interlayer dampens vibrations, keeping outside noise from entering your home. Tight seals. Professional installation ensures no gaps where sound can sneak through. For families in Lafayette neighborhoods near highways, schools, or commercial areas, this upgrade means restful nights and calmer days. Enhanced privacy indoors. Soundproof windows don't just keep noise out, they also keep it in. That means conversations, music, or other household sounds stay private. Bedrooms and nurseries. Reduce disturbances and create restful environments. Home offices. Prevent background noise from interfering with remote work or video calls. Living rooms and entertainment spaces. Enjoy movies or music without worrying about disturbing neighbors. This added layer of privacy is especially valuable in closely built Lafayette communities. Energy efficiency benefits. Soundproof windows are often designed with the same features that improve energy efficiency. The multi-pane glass and insulated frames help keep hot air out in Lafayette's summers. Trap warm air inside during cooler months. Reduce reliance on heating and cooling systems. By improving insulation, soundproof windows contribute to lower utility bills and more consistent indoor temperatures year-round. Protection from dust and pollution. Busy neighborhoods often mean more than just noise. Dust, pollen, and pollution can also enter through older windows. Soundproof windows with tight seals reduce these intrusions, creating a healthier indoor environment. For Lafayette families, especially those with children or allergy concerns, this cleaner air benefit is a major advantage. Increased home value and appeal. Upgrading to soundproof windows is not only a lifestyle improvement but also an investment. Boosts property value. Energy efficient, noise-reducing windows are attractive to potential buyers. Enhances curb appeal. Modern window designs improve the look of your home inside and out. Competitive edge. In Lafayette's growing real estate market, these features can help your property stand out. Buyers increasingly value comfort and sustainability, making soundproof windows a sought-after upgrade. Professional installation for lasting results. While high-quality windows are essential, proper installation is what ensures they perform to their full potential. Professional installers guarantee a snug, airtight fit. Use advanced sealing techniques for maximum noise reduction. Provide warranties for both the product and installation. For Lafayette homeowners, professional installation means long-term comfort and peace of mind. Final thoughts. In busy Lafayette neighborhoods, soundproof windows offer a practical and worthwhile upgrade. They reduce noise, increase privacy, improve energy efficiency, and add value to your home, all while creating a more peaceful and enjoyable living environment. Whether you're near a bustling street or simply want to enhance comfort indoors, soundproof windows deliver benefits that go beyond silence. With professional installation, your home becomes not just a place to live, but a true retreat from the outside world.